Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out today's segment of In the Cards. Today we got the brand new 1819 Upper Deck Series 2. Delayed a day because of weather, but it's all good. Still got some sick Young Gun cards in there, hopefully. Before we get into that, I guess, a little Young Gun story. I got some pretty wicked friends. Shout out co-worker Mark, you're a beauty. Thanks for getting me a wicked Patterson card. It's kind of like the one this year. Carter Hart in Series 2 is actually worth as much as Patterson. It's crazy, but thank you, Mark. That's a sick card. And me and my bro Andrew got these tins the other day. He got Dolan and Dubé Young Guns, and I just got shit all over. Got 3 nobodies. So he's a lamb and gave me the Dubé Young Guns. Beautiful. So yeah, Andrew, Mark, your beauties. Thanks a mil. But hopefully we get some Svechnikov, Carter Hart. What else we got in here? Middlestat. Middlestat. Who else is in there? Belmacki. That's the guy I'm looking for. Get all those Flames Young Guns. And I can't believe that Carter Hart one's worth so much. So it's freaking crazy. Whoop. Pop it out, make it look all fancy. Patty Kane. And we'll try to fly through the base, just get kind of some of the cool inserts. We got 24 packs, 8 cards in a pack, so it's a lot of base cards in there. Thornton, Grabner, Checklist, Wholly Overpaid, and got our first canvas, Jordan Eberle, Winners fans, Seabrook, Ellis, Jenner, base. Guaranteed 6 Young Guns in a box. Get a few other Young Guns in the canvas version, so they got the different ones than they have the base Young Guns of. So you can get Pedersen canvases. That's kind of what the hope is here. Funk, Nielsen, another canvas. Mika Zibanejad, killing it in my hockey pool this year. Bogosian, Simone, Sutter. Hey, the good Elias. Sick. Flames card. Matthews. Dan Vladar, first Young Guns. Not quite gonna hurt. Barry, Carrick, Nelson, You can see I got a nice X-Acto knife there, a kitchen knife, no more. That's one of my roommates is looking for that. Sorry guys. That bad boy over there. Yost, Zucker, Marchand, Mrazek, Marquee rookie, Brett Howden. This guy kind of follows me around. It's kind of, what is that? OPC insert. Just the back. Oh, kind of cool. Johnson, hey, there's the other half of the Carolina trade, Hannafin. Oh, no, it looked like Flames at first, just overpaid Bodker as well. Lorne, Bjorkstrand, Tom Wilson, Fabry. Woohoo! Marquee rookie, Sweet Pete. Not bad. I could deal if he started following me around a bit. Oh, what? 9 out of hundo? Baby, wicked. Sweet Pete. So we got Luongo, Dougie Hams, Thomas Hurdle, Mad Base. We'll sleeve my little Sweet Pete here. Dang, wicked. Not bad, not bad. It's cool they got some other rookie inserts in here other than just your Young Gun ones. Toffoli, Sidney the Kidney, Gio, Ooh, there's a cool Young Guns. Henrik Bjorkstrom. Borgstrom, should I say? He's a good looking young player. Ehlers, Krejci, Landeskog, Carlson. Organize some of this base card mess I got going on here. Ooh. Pulock, Nikushkin, whoop, Miller, Canvas, Clefbaum. Yeah, look at this guy. Ferland. I'm getting like that complete Calgary, Carolina trading cards here. Boop, Muzzin. Not with the Leafs. Didn't make the update. Lehner, Panarin. Hey, another Flames. Hey, look at that. There's just base cards, but I mean, a few more Flames than average. Oh, what? Dahlin, marquee rookie. They got some wicked OPG inserts in here, apparently. Is that guy numbered? Doesn't look like it, but that's a pretty cool looking Dahlin rookie. Not bad. Mathot, Schmidt, Kenzie. Brown, Doughty, Johnson, Wild Bill, Ilya Lyubushkin. Cool name. Not a huge prospect. Now, let me take a peek at the back of the card there, you know. What we got there? 9 points in 50 games in the KHL. Yeah. Grown man league, I suppose. Cut him some slack, but I never really heard of him. We've got 2 Young Guns so far, so looking for 4. Mr. Carter Hart's out there still, I'm thinking here. Miller, Riley, Hoffman, Kunitz, Juho Lammikko. That is a good Finnish name. They're not numbered, but added to the rookie pile. Nyquist, O'Reilly, Galchenyuk. Mikko, he's killing it in my work hockey pool too. Although the Avs have been brutal lately. It's pretty crazy. It's just an absolutely pathetic playoff race in the West. No one wants it. Ooh, Upper Deck portrait, Brady Tkachuk. That's a pretty nice one. And no panic, Zajac. Bozak, Lowry, Burns. Oh, there he is. Whoop! Svechnikov, Young Guns. Somehow this one isn't worth more money, but we'll hold on to this guy. This guy's a freaking stud. Carolina's pretty lucky they got him. They got their goal scorer, that's for sure. McNabb, Kreider, Sagan, Granlund. Spooner. Oh, that's kind of cool. OPG Carlson card with the Sharks. Donskoy, VC, Crawford. Reemsdyke, Larson, Nino Niederreiter. Rookie portraits, Henry Yokoharu. Another just amazing Finnish name. Good player too. the Brick Lucic, Little, Coleman, Kasperi. Oh, Lindholm, those Ducks jerseys are just amazing. I love those. Carter Hutton, Trouba, rookie portraits, Maxime Lajoie. Been surprising this year. Kessel, Zingle, Palmieri, Skinner. Got here 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not even gonna count. I don't want it to be over. Dumoulin, Bonino, Mikhail Vorobiev, rookie OPC. Not number. That's pretty wicked. The only numbered one is a Pettersson. I guess Pettersson one was a marquee rookie. It's a little different. Not bad though. Cogliano, whoop. Super Pest, my boy Matty. Oh, drop the base. I'm losing it. Oh dear. Oh dear. A lot of base cards. A lot of base cards everywhere. Dylan Sakura Young Guns. Not bad. Cody freaking Eakin. Ah! I promise it's just base cards dropping. So many of them. Holy! Okay. Whoa, we still got quite a few packs here to go. Smith, Rask, Horvat, Theodore, rookie portraits, Dylan Sakura, back to back, David Perron, Vertanen, Werenski. I love that they call him Shotgun Jake, and Vancouver Twitter's actually pretty freaking crazy. Everyone just shotguns beers like animals when Pettersson or when Vertanen scores. Good thing they didn't draft like Ehlers or someone better than him that actually scored. Ah, Ehlers, whew, slumping too, I suppose. Subban, Murray, real bad deal, James Neal, Young Guns, Brett Cini, Manson, Gudis, Haig, Connolly, Taylor Hall, Jay Beagle, Gavin Bayreuther. I believe that is the last Young Guns in this bad boy. I think I get one more canvas at least as well. 4 packs. Burned through 20 already. Kevin Hayes, Radulov, Kovalchuk, Marquee rookie, Evan Bouchard, bleh, the Oilers. And that's not numbered. Pavelski, Saros, Komarov. Hey, little Rebels boy, Matty Dumba. It's kind of a cool card. Berglund. Ooh, he's well out of there. Oh, what? Rookie materials. Ethan Bear. Come on! Come on! I mean, I shouldn't complain about a jersey patch, but like, these bloody Oilers, I tell you. Congratulations. Ah, that's kind of a cool card. Frickin' Oilers, I tell you. My goodness. Elliott, Silverberg, Kadri. No use of Valimaki jersey patches. Oh. I swear they outcard them like 2-1 in every single box. Mikhail Vorobiev ×2. Lanny, Coyle, Larkin, Lundqvist. list. And last pack. Yeah, I think we should be getting a canvas in here. Schneider, Bernier, Kruger, Young Guns canvas, Oscar Lindblom, McElhaney, Hinestroza, Roussel, and Gunsel to end it off. Whew! That's it, that's all. Tried my best to fly through some of that base cards. Where is the crown jewel? Out of 100, baby. Sweet Pete. Not bad, that's a cool looking OPG card. 9 out of 100. Not bad. And, I mean, I guess so short again. A Rookie Materials, Ethan Bear. Let me know if you're a sad Oilers fan. I'll send it to you or something, because, like, don't got room for this in my room. But that's it, that's all. Thanks for checking out this box break. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for some more box breaks. Peace out, guys.